एथिस्ट हा देवाला मानत नाही, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू स्वामीजी जो स्वतःवर विश्वास ठेवत नाही तो स्वतः नास्तिक. सो हॅव फेथ. नेक्स्ट. देन देयर इज अ टीम वर्क. नेक्स्ट. Dedication. Okay, dedication is to be so tremendous that I will drink the ocean, says the prevailing soul. At my will the mountains will crumble up. Have this sort of energy, work hard. आपल्याकडे याचंही उदाहरण आहे. हनुमानाने पर्वत उचलला होता एका बोटावर, राईट? वी डोंट नो, मे बी साइंटिफिकली ट्रू और नॉट. डेडिकेशन, अगर आप में डेडिकेशन है तो आप पहाड़ों को भी हिला सकते हो. त्याच्यामुळे ते असणं आवश्यक आहे. अँड अनदर क्वालिटी वॉज पेशन्स. हे जे पोरं आहे 15, 16, 17 वर्षाचे, त्याले पेशन्स नाही. ते सकाळी गर्लफ्रेंडले म्हणते आय लव्ह यू, संध्याकाळी म्हणते आय हेट यू. अबे डोक्याचा वापर करा ना. हा, डोकं वापरा, फक्त कीपॅड वापरायचा नाही. कुठेतरी पेशन्स ठेवा, राईट? न्यू जनरेशन ॲब्सोल्युटली lack patience in India. I've traveled this country 2 times after I came back in 2012. कुठेतरी पेशन्स ठेवा, प्रयत्न ठेवा, विश्वास ठेवा. थिंग्स विल वर्क आउट. डोंट गेट इम्पेशंट, डोंट लूज फोकस. नेक्स्ट. अगेन आपण काहीतरी काम घेतो, मध्येच ते काम करतो, आपल्याला वाटलं का काम जमलं नाही का मग ते काम आपण सोडून देतो. दॅट इज इनकरेक्ट. इफ यू नो दॅट यू हॅव टू डू दिस थिंग, you must do that thing in accordance till it's get completed. तुम्ही सगळे लोक परीक्षा आली का एक आठवड्या आधी आपलं पुस्तक शोधता, त्यावरची धूळगीळ काढता आणि त्याला वाचायला लागता. जसं पुस्तक वाचायला लागलं, मुलाले मुली दिसायला लागतात, मुलीले मुलं दिसायला लागतात आणि ते झोपून जाते अर्ध्या तासात. अरे बाबा उद्या पेपर आहे तुझा, अभ्यास आज करू आम्ही, राईट? एनिथिंग दॅट यू टेक अप इट मस्ट टेक टू दी फायनल. आणि ते एन्थुझियाझम मग चाललं जातं. The enthusiasm you have to maintain it till you achieve that, and then pursuing the challenge with utmost dedication, indeed a road to success. आपल्याकडे कोण होता? एकलव्य. काय शिकायला गेला? धनुर्विद्या. नाही शिकवली. पुतळा बनवला, स्वतः शिकला, परत गेला. काय दिलं? अंगठा मागितला, गुरुदक्षिणा देऊन दिला. या सगळ्या गोष्टी आहेत हो या देशामध्ये. हे नवीन जनरेशनला शिकायचं आहे आणि जुन्या जनरेशनला या मुलांना शिकवायचं आहे. सो डेडिकेशन. नेक्स्ट. टीमवर्क. ओके, वी आर इन 21st century. वी हॅव टू कोलॅबोरेट, वी हॅव टू लर्न अँड वी हॅव टू एक्सप्लोर. सो टीमवर्क इज अन इसेन्शियल पार्ट इन 21st century, राईट? सो when Swamiji went to Chicago, he saw how Americans were working. Of course, that was the early part of American industrialized area, but he understood the teamwork and he appreciated and he made a note of this. If today's youth walk on the path of Swamiji's ideal and belief, India could become a great country. We will become number 1 again, provided we follow the path that we want. It is not impossible. 21st century is a century of East. And in East, we have China, we have India, of course, Japan is much ahead of us, but it's time for us to walk towards that. And by the middle of the century, probably we will be close to the number 1. Next. So, in any case, we will be a youthful nation. Like he mentioned in his presentation about the population pyramid. आजपासनं 10 वर्षांनी भारत देश हा जगातला सर्वात youthful देश. Our average age of country will be only 32 years. म्हणून प्रधानमंत्र्यांनी या सगळ्या योजना चालू केल्या आहेत. स्टार्टअप इंडिया, मुद्रा, स्किल इंडिया, डिजिटल इंडिया, स्टँडअप इंडिया, बिकॉज द यूथ विल नीड जॉब. इफ यू आर अनेबल टू प्रोव्हाइड द जॉब, मग तो निवडणुकीचा मुद्दा होतो. सो हॅव्हिंग यूथ इज ओके, बट हॅव्हिंग डिसिप्लिन यूथ इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट. मी जेव्हा जपानमध्ये लेक्चर घ्यायला जायचो, आपल्याकडे मास्टर वळला का पोट्टे कुजबूज करते. जपानचे पोरं एकदम शांत बसायचे. आपल्या विद्यार्थ्यांना शिस्त आणली पाहिजे. जगामधल्या अनेक बेशिस्त देशांमध्ये आपण 1 नंबर आहे. जिथे लिहिलं असतं इधर यू टर्न मत करणार, तिथेच आपण गाडी घालतो. जिथे लिहिलं असतं या कचऱ्यामध्ये फेकणं, आपण सगळ्या गावाचा तिथे टाकतो, कारण तो आपण आपला हक्क मानतो. नो, शिस्त. मी मागे मुंबईला गेलो होतो, हे लोक मुंबईला होते. जे देश शिस्तबद्ध आहेत ते देश आज पुढे गेलेले आहेत. त्याच्यामुळे शिस्त कुठेतरी नवीन जनरेशन आणि ओल्ड जनरेशनला आणणं आवश्यक आहे. आणि ऑफकोर्स दिस इज व्हॉट ही सेड. आणि आपण जर याचा वापर केला, इफ यू कॅन मेक यूज ऑफ दिस डेमोग्राफिक डिव्हिडंड विच इंडिया हॅज, इट्स अ नाव ऑर नेव्हर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी. 400 वर्षामध्ये हा योग येतो जो 10 वर्षांनी येणार आहे. याचा जर वापर चांगला केला तर निश्चितपणे आपण वी विल बी ॲट नंबर 1 इन दी वर्ल्ड. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. सो व्हॉट Swamiji said, the earth is enjoyed by heroes. This is the unfailing truth. Be a hero. Always say, I have no fear. कोणतीही भीती त्याची तमा न बाळगता दिल खोल के काम करो. जे काही करायचंय ते मुक्तपणे करा, बिना भीतीचं करा. बरेचदा वाटतं अरे ये किया तो क्या होगा, वो क्या बोलेगे, ये फेल नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा. भीती, जो डर गया सो मर गया. त्याच्यामुळे भीती बाळगायची नाही आणि फिअरलेस होऊन काम करायचं. जे फिअरलेस होऊन काम फेल व्हाल ना, फेल्युअर इज अ फर्स्ट स्टेप टू दी सक्सेस. इट्स अ फर्स्ट स्टेप टू दी सक्सेस. यू फेल, यू लर्न, यू रिलर्न अँड यू डू इट अगेन अँड यू कॉन्कर. सो विथ दिस थॉट I thank you all. Jai Hind. Next. Thank you again for inviting and have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to request Shashank Wadekar to please felicitate Mr. Dr. Nikhil Atale. Thank you, sir.
Moving on to our next performance, the students from Shivaji College are going to present a melodious song named Sakura Hira Hira. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Sube hira hira mai orite ochite yoreru omoi no takeroda kishimeta Yoyogi haruni yume mishiyane himeba Solani kirete yuyo Sakura lira ira mai orite ochite Naruno sonu mogoi liraru kirasu Kibino haruni chigai shimono numeba Soyogi Sakura Maicheru Thank you so much.
An amazing performance. Please encourage them with a huge round of applause.
The next performance is a group dance. Let's welcome the students of School of Scholars.
It was an amazing performance by the kids from School of Scholars.
Our next performance is a drama based on the childhood life of famous Japanese writer Tetsuko Kuroyanagi. The students of Tomoe School will perform a part from her famous book Toto-chan. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
We are here to present a drama on a school from Tokyo, which inspired our founder, Mrs. Jaimala Zadho, a lot. As a result, she decided whenever she will start a school, it would be exactly same as that school. It was a liberal Montessori school of Tokyo called Tomoe Gaikuen Elementary School. It was a very special school. If you take its building, it was literally the bogies of a train. Each child here was treated with respect, equality, and much more with love. It was founded by Sosaku Kobayashi during World War II. He was the principal of the school but was known to every child, and he knew every child as he not only taught science and literature but also on nurturing relationships, making friends, taking care of the environment, encouraged everyone to dream, and saw a pure heart in each child. Despite the fact that such school was destroyed during the World War II, but is still known to the world because of its children. They became the ambassadors. These ambassadors brought fame to the school. No other mean is required. One of the ambassadors was Tetsuko Kuroyanagi, who came forward and wrote the experiences of her life and of that school, how it changed her life in her book Toto-chan, A Girl at the Window. It is the story of a special child who was not understood and rejected by several average schools in Tokyo, but understood, appreciated, and valued by a school very special of its own, Tomoe Gaikuen. This school allowed her and children like her to bloom at the fullest. This school allowed children to learn with their own experiences with lots of hands-on activities. It provided a congenial environment to children to enjoy teaching and learning process. Our school has not only taken its name but its approach, where we believe that each child is different and needs different approach, as they are great bundles of potential. Each child has been given the freedom to interact with teachers for the quest of actual knowledge, which is sometimes misunderstood as indiscipline. But these relationships make the child of good imagination, creative, aware, curious, inquisitive, empathetic, and much more a complete individual. In the coming drama, my friends and teachers are presenting few episodes from the story Toto-chan to make you understand how that Tomoe school in Tokyo worked and why we believe in the same. So let us welcome my schoolmates to present in front of you the life of Toto-chan.
Students, be quiet. Listen to me very carefully and follow what I say. Do not use your stupid brains. Do exactly what I say. Toto-chan, what are you doing? Didn't I warn you before? Do exactly what I say. Now, shut the drawers and look towards me. Repeat after me as I read. Yes, teacher. Say it loud and clear after me. What is the color of the sky? The color of the sky is blue. The color of the sky is blue. What is the color of an apple? The color of an apple is red. The color of an apple is red. Toto-chan, stop playing with the drawer. How many times did I tell you to pay attention? God knows where you are lost all the time. Stand up on your place and answer me. What is the color of the sky?
The color of the sky is black.
What? Black? You stupid! The color of the sky is blue, not black.
But teacher, yesterday night I saw when I was sitting along with my mother. The color of the sky was black.
Shut up, idiot! You have to repeat what I say.
But teacher, I am telling the truth. I saw.
Be quiet. Don't make me lose my temper. Just go to your place.
वैशाली मैम और मेघना मैम प्रॉम्प्ट कर रहे थे.
Look, it's the musical band. Look how beautifully they are playing the song.
Come everybody, come and see the colorfully dressed bands.
Hey, listen to the sound of the drum. Hey, look at the beautiful color.
Wow.
What is going on? What are you looking at? Get back to your seats right now. And Toto-chan, you come here. You have really pissed me. It is all my fault. I shouldn't have admitted you in this such school. You are such a waste, you stupid girl.
ऐसा लगा नहीं था ऐसा बोल
Wait, Toto-chan. Come here. Give this letter to your mother.
Yes, teacher.
Toto-chan's mother received a letter from the teacher to meet on urgent basis as she feels that Toto-chan is a cause of indiscipline in the school. Here, the mother is anxious and wonders why she has been called.
Yes. Please take a seat.
Teacher, I read your letter. I was really worried. Why did you call me so abruptly? Is everything alright?
Okay. I will come straight to the point. Your daughter cannot study in this school. She has brought indiscipline in the class. She doesn't understand the instructions. She doesn't know how to behave or sit in the class. Academic studies are distant things for her.
But teacher, what has she done to deserve such a punishment? She is just an innocent little lamb. What can go wrong with her?
What has she done? She is an utter chaos. She lives in her own imaginary world. She opens up a drawer and then shuts it. Sometimes she suddenly stands up in the middle of the class and runs towards the window, talks about the band group and the passerby. And this is not enough for her. She starts singing welcome song for the band group. My entire class has turned indisciplined all because of Toto-chan. This is affecting all other students of the class and I can't let it happen. Okay. You have to take your daughter home. She cannot study here.
Toto-chan's mother was an embodiment of strength. Teachers' words were echoing in her ears. Her daughter was expelled from her school because of her behavior, which was considered naughty and indisciplined by her teacher. But Toto-chan's mother was sure that her daughter, Toto-chan, is the protagonist who looks at the world from an innocent and candid point of view. And she is as naughty as a little child can be. A wise mother nurtures a wise child, so is her mother.
Toto-chan? Toto-chan? Toto-chan?
Yes, mother.
I bought this dress for you, dear. You have to take very good care of it. Don't spoil it like your other dresses.
Wow. Is this dress for me?
Yes.
Mother, I will be careful. I love this dress so much.
Now get dressed. We don't want to be late.
Mother, are we going someplace? Do I need to wear this new dress?
Yes, dear. Now get dressed.
Yes, mother. Only 5 minutes.
Without getting discouraged by the teacher's words, still believing in her daughter, she starts searching for another school. Changes are good. She makes Toto-chan believe by giving a new dress to change. Then she takes Toto-chan to another school called as Tomoe Elementary School, which was special in itself as the main entrance was quite different. It was not a gate but two tall trees. Toto Chan's attention was arrested by the view of the school, as the school was in the lap of the nature.
Mother, is that a real train? No, dear. It is a school. Now let's go. We have to meet the headmaster. Are you Mr. Sosaku Kobayashi?
Yes, I am. Please take your seat.
Sir, are you the headmaster or the station master?
I am the headmaster, my dear. How do you find our school?
Is this a school? A school in a train?
Yes, dear, it's a school, and those coaches are the classroom. Do you like them?
I love it. Can I come to your school?
Yes, if you want to, but you will have to tell me something about yourself.
Are you not going to ask me any questions?
Questions? What questions? You can tell me any story if you want.
Principal talks with Toto-chan on many different topics, and Toto-chan feels too familiar to talk with the principal. Toto-chan was delighted as somebody was listening to her thoughts. Somebody was respecting her ideas.
Toto-chan, would you come to our school starting from tomorrow?
Yes, sir. I will.
See you tomorrow, dear.
Thank you, sir.
After meeting principal, while returning home, Toto-chan talks about the school and the principal only. The mother can see the smile on her face and feels relieved. Toto-chan also starts preparing for the next day. She is so excited and cannot wait for one night even to get to school. She wants to meet her listener, Mr. Kabayashi, the principal of Tomoe School, very soon. But to her surprise, he himself comes to her class and talks to her.
Come on, children. Let's recite the prayer before the lunch.
Chew it well. Everything you eat, 32 times you chew. Every morsel you eat. Chew it and chew it and chew it. Your rice and fish and meat.
Wonderful, my dear children. Now, all of you, open your lunch boxes and enjoy your lunch.
Oh dear children, did you bring something from ocean or something from hill?
Yes, sir.
Let me see what you have brought. Wow, wonderful. Pleasing aroma of food. Let me see what our newly admitted girl has brought.
Yes, sir. See, sir. My mother has given me very delicious food.
Wow, Toto-chan, your mother is a fantastic cook.
Really, my mother is an excellent cook.
Now tell me, what is this from? From ocean or from hill?
The color is like soil. It must be from the hill. But I don't know.
Children, where do we get Denbu from? From ocean or from hill?
From the ocean. From the ocean. No, from the hills. From the hills.
Okay, I will tell you. Denbu is a seafood.
How, sir?
Look, something from ocean means fish and tiny crustacean, boiled in soya sauce and sweet sake. While something from hill means vegetables, beef, chicken and pork.
I would like to see the demo fish in Toto-chan's tiffin.
Look there. Okay children, now go to your place. Now children, Denbu is made by scraping the flesh of cooked fish off the bones, lightly roasting and crushing it into fine pieces, which are then dried and flavored.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Now children, have your lunch. Ma'am, please continue.
It is delicious. I am so happy. It was fun today.
For Toto-chan, the school was always in 4 walls and a roof. But here, it was very different. The school was not limited to the compact classrooms, but to environment. That's why the announcement made by the teachers amazes her.
You all work hard this morning. What would you like to do this afternoon?
Let's go for a walk.
All right, but you must be tired. No, teacher, we are not tired at all. We will go for a walk. Okay, then make a single line here. I used to go for walks with Daddy and Rocky, but I never heard of a school walk. Wow, it will be exciting. Teacher, shall I ask you a question? Yes, dear, ask. Where are we going for a walk? Here, around the school, along the lake. Oh, there is a lake here. What fun! Yes, we are going to see a lot of exciting things. Wow, it will be exciting. Okay, come on children, let's go for a walk.
This is the school that believes in hands-off activities to learn. So the teacher is here to explain the parts of flowers by actually showing it to the children. See the beautiful, different colored flowers which developed their aesthetic sense also.
Oh my god, cherry tree. Look, look. Beautiful field of yellow mustard flowers has stretched as far as the eye could see. It's wonderful. We will go as far as the Koenbutsu temple. We saw a snake by the lake last time. There is an old well in the temple ground, which they say a shooting star fell into one. Children, look at this mustard plant. Do you know why flower blooms?
No, teacher.
The nectar, the pistil, stamen and pollen grain are very important for the flower. All this help the flower to bloom. Look, they are all seen, very busy helping. How nice. Today I got new information about the plant.
Do you want to see the shooting star well?
Yes, I want. Shooting star well. Come, we will. Oh, the well seems to be made up of stone. It has wooden lid too. Shall we open the lid and see? Let us. Oops, it is pitch dark inside. I can only see a lump of concrete stone. I cannot see any star twinkling. That you told, Sako-chan. Have you seen the star?
No, I have never seen.
Why is it not shining? Maybe it's asleep.
Do stars sleep?
I think they must be sleeping in the daytime and wake up at night and shine. But I am not very sure. It's time to go back, children. The sun will dip down and it will become dark soon. We should rush now. Yes, we will proceed. I didn't realize how the day passed playfully, gossiping, learning new things and observing the nature. Well, anyway, it was extremely exciting. Shall we go for a walk again tomorrow?
Yes!
It's a real fun to learn by observing. I have made friendship with all the children in a short time. It's really exciting. My happiness knows no bounds. I'm craving to go home and narrate whole incident to my mother.
The way of teaching in Tomoe was outstanding because self-experience was the great source of learning. Here, the students were so eager to attend the school as they used to perform something new to learn something. That day, it was announced by the principal that the school is going to organize summer camp and the students have to stay in the school whole night. For children, spending whole night along with their friends was an exciting task. But somewhere, sleeping in the tent without parents was challenging for them. Toto-chan shares her feelings about the camping with her mother.
Mom. Yes, my child. Our summer vacation begins today. Someone is going to have all the fun. That's true. But school has organized summer camp from tomorrow. Do you know, Mom? What? What does camping mean? It means you are going to put up tents in the open and sleeping in there. Sleeping in a tent, you can see the moon and stars. How exciting! Moon, stars. But I feel a little scared. Without you, in the night, in a tent. There's no need to fear. You are going to learn something from this experience.
That night, after Toto-chan went to bed, she could not get sleep. The idea of going for camping sounded rather scary. Her heart was beating very fast. The following morning, as soon as she woke up, she got ready and left for the school. When the children gathered at the school, the principal said,
Okay children, come to assembly hall.
"Playing with a tent requires a lot of movement, crawling and turning, reaching and grabbing, all of which are extremely important for a healthy development. So, the principal taught all the children to make a tent and to live in it. And that was the speciality of the school's deep thinking."
So children, this is the place where we are going to stay.
Yes, in the assembly area.
Yes, but not in open area. We will make all the children. I am going to show you how to make tent. Please watch carefully.
Isn't the tent so small?
Now all the children set up your tent all over the assembly area and start camping.
Mother imagined that they would put the tents outdoor, but headmaster had other ideas. In the assembly hall, the children would be alright, even if it rained in the night or got a bit cold. Come on friends, let us build up our home, without brick and without stone. I eat sweet. I fear everyone. I smell bad. Who am I?
You are the demon. The demon who eats buns and sweet mangoes in the toilet.
Once, the principal came to know that there are some rumors spread among the children about the ghosts. So, he decided to take a bravery test of his children. So, he asked all the children to gather near the Kohen Butsu temple.
Listen children, we are going to hold a bravery test one night. Hands up if you want to be a ghost.
We.
Okay, let's meet at Kohanabutsu temple.
Kohanabutsu temple?
Yes, Kohanabutsu temple. Everyone should be in costume accordingly. Don't forget to bring your costume.
We'll scare you to death. Ha 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 ha.
The headmaster was going to conduct a bravery test with an aim that in real life no ghost exists. The plan was to make some of the children ghosts and make them wait in the graveyard that was behind the temple. This was kept a secret. Then he would ask the rest of the children to go to the temple walk.
Children, you need to go to the graveyard temple ground. Keep this in mind, this is your bravery test. Do not panic and nobody will laugh or tease anyone.
Sir, I will not. My mother has given me a torch.
Yes, sir. We will not panic and scare away all the ghosts.
Sir, we have brought butterfly net and rope to catch the ghost, and we will tie them up. Let's form a group.
Children, we may encounter the ghost on way. Stay alert.
Yes, sir. Ghost. Friends. Ghosts are here somewhere waiting. Our bravery would be tested here itself. Do not panic. We are not alone. Let's all face the ghost together. Let us move on. Ghost. I heard someone footsteps running. There were shadows and scary noises. Someone leaped, frightening everyone.
Sir, I was hiding in the graveyard all this time, but not one came. I get more and more scared, and finally I ran and reached the school.
Don't cry, my child. No ghost exists in reality.
Sir, I have been waiting all this time, scratching mosquito bites on my arms and legs.
What? A ghost bitten by mosquitoes?
Now see children, there are no ghosts in reality. It's all in our mind. People who do wrong are ghosts. Hence always do good, and doing so all the negativity will get away. Do good and good will always come to you.
In this way, we hope to continue the legacy of that school of Tokyo to our Tomoe school of Amravati. Thank you.
It was an excellent performance depicting the innocence of childhood.
Continuing towards the next performance, I would like to call upon the students of School of Scholars to perform a group song named Lights by the famous band BTS.
Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Let's give a huge round of applause for this mesmerizing performance.
Moving on to the next performance, which is a duet song. The song name is My Girl, originally sung by famous Japanese group Arashi. For this, I would like to call upon Ms. Shreya Pusegaonkar, Ms. Shruti Pusegaonkar, and Agnesh Wankhade.
He was
しさに触れる時が幸せに導いてゆく微笑む声重ねたなら僕らがほんのちょっとずつ歩いてゆける気がしたありがとうの想いを伝えたいよそっと君のもとへ遠く離れてしまっても思い出に満ちた未来へ手を伸ばせば君と残したあの季節が思い浮かぶ二人の記憶つないでく今日もそっと小さなぬくもり集めて包んだ指先そっとこぼれ落ちてしまったのは足早に駆け出した君の温かさ大切なことは全部君一人で抱えていた言いたいこと何も言わず話してしまった手のひら思い出すよ今でもありがとうのもう一度伝えたいよそっと君のそばで昨日に戻れないけど祈るように明日を迎える手を伸ばせば君が残したあの季節の扉開く会いたくて仕方ないから今日もきっと君のこと思い出すだろう一秒ごとで会った日が遠ざかってゆくけれど変わらずに君が生きてる胸の中でありがとうの想いを伝えたいよそっと君のもとへ遠く離れてしまっても思い出に満ちた未来へ手を伸ばせば君と過ごしたあの季節が思い浮かぶ二人の記憶つないでく今日もそっと小さなぬくもり集めてそっと小さなぬくもり集めてありがとうございました。
Thank you so much. That was a wonderful performance. Achievement seems to be connected with action. Successful people keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. With this, let us felicitate some of our achievers.
Now, I request all the students who have successfully completed the certification of JLPT exam to please gather backstage. And I request all the dignitaries to please join me on the stage. I request Mr. Yoshiyuki Mizuichi sir to felicitate Ms. Athera Khan. She has cleared her N5 level in July 2019. Now, I request Mr. Tomio Isogai sir to felicitate Ms. Ravina Khandare. She has cleared her N5 level in July 2019. Now, I request ma'am to please felicitate Ms. Mukta Lokhande. She has also cleared her N5 in July 2019. Is Mukta Lokhande available in the audience? Okay. So moving on with the next felicitation. Now I request Miss Kazuko Barisik ma'am to felicitate Mr. Abhishek Shah. He has cleared his N5 level in July 2019. Please give a huge round of applause to all the applicants. Now I request Mr. Yoshiyuki Mizuichi sir to felicitate Ms. Shreya Pusegaonkar. She has cleared her N5 level in July 2018 and she has also cleared her N4 level in July 2019. Let's give her a huge round of applause. Let's congratulate all the participants and all the award achievers with a huge round of applause. Now moving on to the next category. For those students who have entered their posters in the poster presentation competition, I would now request Abhishek to please continue the felicitation.
Rachit Pandey, Edify School. Rachit Pandey. I would request. That's it. We are done. Yes.